Hello friends, welcome to Fun and Learn with Pauline Sibi. Today we are going to discuss about paragraph writing in this video. I hope this video is going to help you to write a paragraph of your own. First of all, let's see what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences organized around a central idea or one topic. We write many sentences about a single topic and organize it in a particular way to form a paragraph. Now let's see the elements of a paragraph. The elements of a paragraph are unity, order, coherence and completeness. We will discuss in detail about these elements. Let's discuss the elements of a paragraph. Unity. Unity in a paragraph begins with the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the first sentence of a paragraph. We explain or introduce the topic in the first sentence itself. So, the unity begins with the first sentence and it ends at the last sentence of a paragraph. Order. Order refers to the way we organize our supporting sentences. The sentences which comes after topic sentence are called supporting sentences. We need to organize and arrange the supporting sentences in a proper way to make your paragraph good and very nice for the readers to understand. Coherence. Coherence is the quality that makes our writing understandable. You need to select your vocabulary aiming at the age group of the readers of your paragraph. You must be very careful about the grammar and the vocabulary which you are using in your paragraph. Completeness. Completeness means a paragraph is well developed if all sentences clearly and sufficiently support the main idea, then our paragraph is complete. Every sentences which you write after the topic sentences must support the topic very well and give a complete detail about that particular topic in your paragraph. This is what is the completeness means here. Let's see the parts of a paragraph. The first part of a paragraph is the title. Once you complete your paragraph, you need to write a suitable title for your paragraph. And the second part of a paragraph is the topic sentence or the first sentence. The first sentence or the topic sentence of a paragraph need to introduce the main idea or the topic itself of the paragraph. The third part of a paragraph is supporting sentence. Supporting sentences provide details that support the main idea. The topic sentence introduces the main idea or the topic, and the sentences which comes after the topic sentences are called supporting sentences, which gives details of the main idea or the topic little by little to the reader. Concluding sentences. Concluding sentence means it is the last sentence of a paragraph which sum up all the details about the particular topic given in that paragraph. Types of paragraphs: narrative, descriptive, persuasive, expository, argumentative are the different types of paragraphs. Let's see what is a narrative paragraph. A narrative paragraph brings the reader along your character's emotional journey. It makes the reader to understand the emotions and feelings of the journey of a character through the particular explanation. Usually, stories, essays are written in a narrative way. Now, what is a descriptive paragraph? Descriptive paragraph draws a picture with the word in the reader's mind. It uses a lot of vocabulary which describes the five senses. Here, some samples of descriptive writings are observational writings and characterizations. What is the meaning of persuasive paragraphs? It convinces the reader to side with you and your beliefs. Usually, editorials and reviews are written in persuasive mode of paragraph. Expository paragraphs. It informs and educates the reader. It provides knowledge about something to the reader. For example, technical writings and newspapers writings are expository paragraphs. Argumentative paragraphs. It persuades someone to agree with you, same as that of persuasive paragraphs. Research, analysis and personal essays are written in the form of argumentative paragraphs. Let's see the criteria for paragraph writing. An examiner is going to evaluate your paragraph based on these points. The points are topic sentence, supporting detailed sentences, concluding sentence, word choice, mechanics and grammar. The topic sentence is going to be checked for whether it has properly introduced the topic in it. The supporting detailed sentences are verified whether it is properly arranged and has given the details of the topic in it. The concluding sentence is going to be checked whether it has summed up the details what you have given in the paragraph. Your word choice should aim at the age group of your readers. Your vocabulary will be closely verified. The mechanics here means the figure of speech, adverbs and adjectives which you have used in the paragraph to make it very nice. Ensure grammatical accuracy to make your paragraph more understandable. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications.